Cash App catastrophe? Does your money disappear after a while? Ever stare down at your phone, Cash App open, ready to pay for that delicious burrito, only to be met with a dreaded error message? Maybe it mentions an expiration date, sending a shiver down your spine. Does all your hard-earned cash vanish into the digital abyss? Don't worry, fellow Cash App warriors, because today we're diving deep to answer the burning question, does Cash App expire? Let's face it, traditional wallets come with a lifespan. That leather gets worn, the stitching unravels, and eventually, it's time for a replacement. But Cash App? It's a digital frontier, existing on your phone, seemingly immune to the ravages of time. Or is it? The Cash App Cash Card, a plastic twist. Here's where things get interesting. Cash App offers a physical debit card, your trusty companion for swiping and spending in the real world. This card, however, is subject to the same rules as any other debit card. It has an expiration date. But fear not. Cash App is pretty chill about the whole thing. They'll automatically send you a replacement card a good 2 months before your current one expires. This way, there's no scrambling or burrito-less lunches. So, what expires exactly? The expiration date on your Cash App card applies only to the physical plastic itself. It's like a best before date for your swiping convenience. The good news? Your Cash App balance itself is safe and sound. It exists digitally, completely separate from the card. Think of it like this, the expiration date is for the key that unlocks your cash, not the treasure chest itself. As long as you have the Cash App on your phone, you can access your funds anytime, anywhere, with just a few taps. Designer dilemma, expiry, and aesthetics. Now, you might be wondering, can I personalize my new card? After all, the old one had that epic cat picture on it. Cash App allows you to design a custom card, but there's a catch. If you want that pizzazz, you need to order your replacement card at least 6 months before your current one expires. Otherwise, you'll get the standard design with the automatic reissue. Keeping your Cash App account active. There's one other thing to keep in mind, inactivity. Cash App, like many other financial institutions, has policies regarding dormant accounts. If you leave your account completely untouched for an extended period, which they define in their terms of service, they might restrict access. This doesn't mean your money disappears, but you might need to jump through some hoops to get it back. The bottom line, Cash App doesn't expire, but your card does. To summarize, Cash App itself, the digital platform where your money lives, doesn't expire. It's always there for you, as long as you keep your account active. However, the physical Cash App card, used for swiping transactions, has a standard expiration date. Cash App will send you a replacement automatically, but you can also customize it if you plan ahead. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.